In a major political shift in Canada, former Bank of England Governor Mark Carney has taken charge as the new Prime Minister, and his cabinet is already making headlines, especially in India. Why? Because four Indian origin leaders, each with roots in Punjab, have been inducted into his team, signaling a fresh chapter in India and Canada relations. This comes after a rather turbulent period between the two nations during Justin Trudeau's tenure. Mark Carney's cabinet formation is being seen as an attempt to reset those strained diplomatic ties, and the presence of these four prominent Indian origin Canadians only strengthens that intention. So, who are they? First up, Anita Anand, the new Minister of Foreign Affairs. She holds the historical distinction of being the first Hindu woman to take charge of this portfolio in Canada. Born in Nova Scotia to a Tamil mother and a Punjabi father, Anita Anand's credentials are nothing short of impressive. Degrees from Queen's University, Oxford, Dalhousie, and the University of Toronto. She even taught law, specializing in corporate governance. She previously served as Canada's Minister of Defense and was ready to return to academics until Carney personally requested her come back to lead foreign affairs. And yes, she placed her hand on the Bhagavad Gita while taking the oath of office. A proud moment for Indians worldwide. Next, we have Maninder Sidhu, now Canada's Minister of International Trade, a successful businessman and social entrepreneur. Sidhu represents Brampton East and was first elected to Parliament in 2019. He is committed to expanding Canada's global trade reach and creating well-paying jobs. Interestingly, he also co-founded a charity called the Kindness Movement with his wife, helping underprivileged children in both India and Canada. Then there's Ruby Sahota, appointed as Secretary of State for Combating Crime. A member of Parliament since 2015, Ruby was born in Toronto to Punjab immigrant parents. Before entering politics, she practiced immigration and family law. She now focuses on curbing gang violence and organized crime, especially in areas like Brampton. Her legal background and community ties make her an ideal pick for the crucial role. And finally, Randeep Sarai, named Secretary of State for International Development. He has represented Surrey Centre since 2015 and is known for his deep community engagement. A law graduate from Queen's University, Sarai balances his political work with family life and community service. His love for yoga, soccer, and even his dog, Mr. Cuddles, gives us a glimpse into his grounded personal side. All four leaders, Anita Anand, Maninder Sidhu, Ruby Sahota, and Randeep Sarai, share a common bond, deep Indian roots, and a strong desire to shape Canada's future. Their inclusion in the federal cabinet sends a powerful message not just to Indian origin communities in Canada but also to New Delhi that a new era of diplomacy, mutual respect, and cultural recognition may be on the horizon. This is more than representation, it's about redefining India and Canada ties through leadership, legacy, and shared values. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Himanshi Decodes.